On the limited evidence presented, it appears that the Secretary has exercised her reasoned judgment to determine what relevant factors and criteria should be considered, applied them to the facts and circumstances pertinent to the individual counties involved, and made her decision. My order requires nothing more. Accordingly, it is ordered and adjudged that the plaintiff's motion is denied. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was brief. That was very brief.
Yes, sir, I will. Hi. Good morning.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have just spoken with Governor Bush and Secretary Cheney. They are understandably pleased with Judge Lewis's opinion. The rule of law has prevailed. The court applied the rule of law objectively and fairly, upholding, as the judge's opinion states, the, quote, reasoned judgment, close quote, of the Secretary of State and the State Election Commission's certification of results on November 15th. We now look forward to the prompt counting and reporting of the limited number of uncounted overseas absentee ballots so that the process of achieving a final result to the election in Florida is not subject to further delays.
Votes were actually certified with a count in Palm Beach County which does not reflect the true will and intent of the voters of Palm Beach County.
Right. We're asking as one of our remedies not to have another election other than on November 7. We're asking that we allow to go back in time to November 7 and allow everyone to indicate how they wanted their vote to be on November 7. Just as right now, past November 7, we're still counting ballots and trying to determine the intent. We're trying to determine the intent as it was on November 7.
J3, vote for Gore.
That deputy will let you back into this room. Okay, so.
We continue to believe that Secretary Harris was wrong to certify the election result before the recounts were completed. To the extent that Judge Lewis's decision today is contrary to that, we believe it is incorrect, and we will be appealing it to the Supreme Court of Florida.
Where this surely be.
It will be printed on the envelope.
And it's pretty obvious that these are voting cards.
Oh, yes, because these are absentee ballot envelopes. These are what we call certificate envelopes.
There is a tremendous burden on all involved in this process to try to make sure that the next president has the legitimacy as carries forward with the confidence of the people of the United States. And I think taking this matter next steps to the Florida Supreme Court would tend to enhance the legitimacy